Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am your host Edward Heim, and in today's video I just wanted to show you something I don't think I showed you in any one of my other videos. If I did, oh well, at least it's a little more of a useful demonstration perhaps. So here's a tube of paint I haven't opened up in a little while, and when that happens the paint and oils get real crusty on the threads. And I could try on that, but I don't want it to shred up my fingers. So I got one of these that came in my Strada kit, and if you've never seen one of these are extremely handy for this type of situation. Before I had one of these, I had like this little leather swatch from an old keychain to help me get a grip. I guess you could use like a silicone bottle opener or something. Excuse the noises from outside. Looks a lot like a nutcracker, and I guess you could actually use a real nutcracker as long as you can get around the cap. So I'm just going to share this one tube, but it should work on just about any other tube. So this is plastic cap on a metal tube. So it's a larger size, so smaller, you got another size. So you just grab it without crushing it, right? It's plastic, you'll break the cap and then you'll have other problems to deal with. And I mean, 1, 2, 3, because it just bites and gets a grip, and you can just torque that off. And so once it gets going, you're good to go. So when your threads are gross like that, it makes it harder to get off the cap once it starts to cure up. So this is just like a public service announcement, making you aware of something out there that might help you get your caps off. And I'm sure you could find other uses for that, even if you do like model building, like those test tours paints, enamel paints and things like that. Those could be real difficult to get off. So anything to make your life a little easier, right? Just putting it out there. Thanks for watching. If this helps you at all, I'd ask that you please subscribe, like, and share. It helps out the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.